And we are live. Everybody, if you can really quickly in chat, say hello if you can hear us. I want to make sure that you guys are getting us loud and clear. I am here in Oakland. Where are you guys at, by the way? Call out your hometown. And where are you at, David? Alex, hit me.
I'm in Boston, Massachusetts. Great old Boston.
I'm down in Austin, Texas.
Right on, guys. Austin. Oh my God, I love Austin. I named my son Austin after that city, so I got to give some props to Austin, Texas.
I love that. That's awesome.
I guess I'll name my next son Boston. Austin, come here.
You're gonna get so confused. The names are gonna sound so similar.
That would be bad. All right, we're off to a great start. Guys, I'm really excited for you to be joining us today for this content marketing workshop. We're going to be focusing, and we're in a little bit, they're going to give a presentation, then we're going to go right into reviewing some of your guys' strategies and websites. Before we do that, I want to remind you that you can actually submit that right about down here, I think. If you hit that Submit Your Growth Challenge button at the bottom and give us your website, they may choose to review you in the end. So go ahead and submit those. While you're submitting, let me tell you who is in front of you. This is David and Alex. They're both co-founders of Omniscient Digital. David is a product manager at HubSpot. During his time at HubSpot, David has helped build the freemium business through new user acquisition initiatives and worked on product-led growth. Alex, also co-founder and senior growth marketer at HubSpot. At HubSpot, he works on user acquisition and helped reinvent the way that companies approach organic marketing. He's particularly passionate about